Welcome back to Horne Auto Center. I'm Norm Gruenberg, Master Tech for General Motors. Today we have an interesting little topic we want to talk about, and that is aftermarket power chips and the disinformation put out by the manufacturers about them. Biggest thing that you read on aftermarket power chip boxes: this will not affect manufacturer's warranty. I cannot convey how incorrect that statement is. The only person that can determine if it is or isn't going to affect the warranty is the manufacturer or the owner of the vehicle. While the vehicle is under warranty, even though you're purchasing it, the computer in the vehicle captures that data and locks it in permanently. So anytime your vehicle does come into a dealership for diagnostic repair, we can see an aftermarket part number for engine performance enhancement, transmission enhancement. And it's not that just us technicians can see it. With the Wi-Fi systems and the communication, the minute we plug in, it goes into our computer systems and General Motors is alerted. So if your vehicle comes in with injection problem, we're going to take a diesel for example, or a turbo failure, first things General Motors is looking for are these calibration part numbers. And when they come up with non-OE part numbers, then that puts a branded title on your vehicle and GM is no longer responsible for it. Now, if you're going to modify your vehicle from the factory's guidelines and positions, you are now assuming the responsibility. Also remember, that vehicle has been designed and licensed and governed by federal law. So when you alter it, you're actually altering the vehicle's emissions, and that's breaking federal rules, and that comes with a great deal of complications. You can see on my computer here, it tells us immediately everything that is going on, whether there's a branded title, whether there's warranty blocks, and any outstanding recalls, and the history of things that were worked on by other dealers, not independents. If you straight out own the vehicle and you don't expect the manufacturer to take any financial responsibility in the repairs, you can modify your vehicle all you want and enjoy it. Well, again, thank you for watching. I'm Norm Gruenberg, Master Tech with Horne Auto Center. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, or share. Don't forget, subscribe at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more.